So at first, was nice to meet you guys. Yeah, follow my wife's channel.
We could find a place for your passion now. Cool down someone, cool now, please me. Cool now, sinner, cool down love. Cool now, someone, cool now, please me. Cool now, sinner, cool down love. Cool now, someone, cool now, please me. Cool now, sinner, cool down love.
Hello guys and welcome. I hope you've been doing okay. Yes, you there at home and you've subscribed. Thank you very much. And if you tuned in and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Yeah. So let's get to the video. Interesting fact is, guys, youngsters out there, and you feel like, oh, whenever you just enter Java every single morning and you're holding a coffee and all, here's an interesting fact for you. Yeah, you can consider changing that. Don't always take coffee in the morning. Like, don't always have it as your first thing. Yeah, you think that if you take coffee in the morning, it's going to brighten your day, like it's going to make you literally active most of your day. Well, I think you might be a bit wrong, or you can try this and tell me how it goes. So here's the thing. After your morning routine, your workout, your meditation, name it, whatever your morning routine is, yeah, you can try put aside the coffee. Do not take coffee as a first thing in the morning. You can either take a fresh juice, you can either take a smoothie, you name it, but take something maybe natural, a fruity, a juice, yeah, something in the morning. Then later in the day, you can have your coffee, but do not take it as the first thing in the morning. Yeah, consider trying my routine, yeah, and you will not regret it. Trust me, it's legit 100. This will change the way your body works, yeah, because most of us take coffee in the morning, but how long does it last you? Yeah, it gets to a time where you literally feel, oh wow, I need more coffee. No, change your routine. Don't take coffee as the first thing in the morning. So with that said, blah blah blah, I'll be showing you guys how to make a very simple healthy smoothie with just basic fruits and recipes. Yeah, so let's get to the video. So I'll be making two types of smoothies. That's why I have two containers right here, and I'll need peanut butter, I'll need soya milk, you can use any type of milk, I'll need natural yogurt, I'll need oranges. For me, I'm using sweet bananas, yeah, the small ones, the sweet ones, yeah, not the long ones. Sweet bananas, because I don't want to add so much sugar. Remember, we are keeping it healthy 100%. We have pineapples and we have mangoes over here. And on my glasses, I have fresh, no, it's not fresh, but this is mango juice, just to add on some taste. And then we have orange juice for the two different smoothies. And lastly, we have a lemon, guys. So let's get to it.
Walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you want to travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain.
So basically that's it. We won't be adding any sugar because we want to keep it natural, yeah. Is there anything I'm missing? I feel like I'm missing something.
I fell when my demons died. something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know?
Let's do this.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know.
It's good. Really good. Thank me later. So yeah, so guys, thanks again for watching, and don't forget, it's life, yeah? Tomorrow is never certain, so take the risk. Till next time, cheers.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us?